are. Okay, Toothless, we gotta prepare for launch. They're almost here. Can't wing glide without wings, though.
Oh,
Okay, getting into position.
All right.
These wings will give you a dragon's eye view of Earth. No dragons required.
Oh shit! Let's hit it home. Oh, dang. Hold on.
Let's explode when they hatch, so just keep moving forward.
Wait, go back.
Forward! You know which way is forward, right? Oh no, the eggs are hatching. That could have gone way worse.
Dang.
You're right, bud. Maybe there will never be anything like flying with your best friend. As long as your best friend is a dragon. Yeah, come on. Toothless, you know that doesn't wash out.
Oh, yeah. I like this.